Right now, from the Room to Room Weather Center, here's Mississippi's Chief Meteorologist, Matt Lobhon.
A significant ice storm taking place overnight, and we do anticipate it will lock a lot of folks in their locations. I'm Chief Meteorologist Matt Lobhon. Icing beginning, won't be for all overnight, but we do expect that there will be multiple chances over the next day, day and a half, and that means ice storm, ice issues. We've been tracking all week here in the Room to Room Weather Center, and so that is what is going on during the overnight hours and the first part of your Saturday morning. Again, accumulating snowfall, not an impossibility near the Tennessee state line. You might see a few flakes south of that, but the thinking is that this changes over pretty quickly to sleet and ice. Ice being freezing rain, rain that comes in contact with the ground. Could come from some thunderstorms as we go into Saturday night, and travel disruptions are likely, power disruptions are possible, and unfortunately, you just should not travel. If you're watching this, one of our typical viewers have been watching me for years, you don't need to be traveling. Because as you can see, we have these ice storm warnings in purple here involving almost every location that we track here. The light blue, this is winter storm watches, still waiting to see on those expectations. You could see impacts, waiting on the National Weather Service to upgrade some of those. And then winter storm warnings, again, accumulations also out here into Alabama. And this is probably the best way to show it. Similar spots, same graphic we've been showing for about 36 hours now on our peak impacts, where peak icing could in some cases exceed not just an inch, but maybe 2 inches. And if you're in this pink zone here, we have peak, we have pink. If you're in the pink zone here, I wouldn't be feeling too terribly comfortable. Some spots in the pink zone could still pick up half an inch of ice, maybe more. 7-day forecast. Again, ice storm ongoing through your Saturday. If you're lucky enough to be above freezing, you're lucky. Don't take advantage of that. You need to still stay where you're at. You're probably not going to need to be moving. We don't want to mess up things. We don't want to put first responders at risk. Sunday, it's going to start off with maybe some thunder sleet, thunder freezing rain. That's not going to be everybody, but a few spots that's possible. We're 32 degrees and obviously dealing with icing issues. And then much colder go toward Monday and Tuesday of next week. Unfortunately, that means some of this ice will stick around. We could have another round of active and possibly wintry precipitation by the latter part of next week. It is cold, and unfortunately, that means things will not thaw. We are going to be live on our morning broadcast at 6:30 a.m. And we're going to get you through this, get you set up for the day. Come, join us, download the app, stay here, and keep it with us for the latest. Unfortunately, this ice storm of 2026 might be one we're talking about for a while here in the Room to Room Weather Center, and probably in your room as well.
When choosing a dentist for our family, Tupelo Smiles was the answer for us. They greet us with warm smiles right when we walk in the door, and they make us feel so welcome. We love Tupelo Smiles.